So when you push down the pump completely, it should deliver one pump. The cream, it's actually going right through the skin barrier and going right into the little blood vessels that are feeding the skin so that it gets into your bloodstream faster. So you have to apply it to a non-hair-bearing part of your skin. So anytime on the inner side of your arm would be fine. The inner part of the elbow, the forearm, even the wrist sometimes women use. If you use your arms to rub it together, you'll lose less cream and less product on your fingers. Another place that's non-hair-bearing for most of us is actually the back and knee. So there's typically not a lot of hair there. So that's another good place to apply it. You should avoid applying it to your breast. You should also avoid applying it to your face. This is not a cream that's pH balanced for the face. If you're actually looking for an estrogen-related face cream, we have something else for that. So typically, once you apply it and you rub it in fully so that there's not liquid product on your skin, it's starting to absorb at that point. So typically, it's fully absorbed within 30 minutes.